Hi, and thanks for watching this video, which is me trying to generate some custom graphics for an 8-bit computer from the 80s called the Oric-1. The Oric-1 has only 6 pixels worth of data for each row, which means it's a bit limited, and there aren't very many standard bitmap resources for Oric graphics, which is a pain because I'm not very good at doing any kind of graphics, even 6 by 8 pixel images. So I thought I would try Copilot. So what you have on the right hand side is D flat, which is my custom ROM for the Oric-1 computer, an Oric Atmos computer. On the left you have a VS Code project which allows me to write programs in D flat, my custom language, and then I've got a converter, a PowerShell script to convert text files into something that the D flat ROM can load. So if I do a quick demo of that, I will generate the programs I want, and then I have to go into the menu here, and then you won't see what I'm loading, but I'm going to type T to go to tape, and then open something called copilot.tap, and then I can do a T load, and it will load from copilot.tap. If I list that, you can see it's the same code. So what is this code doing? Not much. Firstly, going into VS Code changes the screen color and the text color, goes into text mode, puts a title, blank line, and these two lines, the letter A is going to be a blank character, and then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, one on top of another, are going to be custom characters that I'm going to define. And this line here makes these two print lines display the alternative character set. So the Oric has a standard character set and an alternate one. They're all fully definable, but it's easier to redefine the alternate character set so that my main character set can continue to be seen in its normal form, basically. So if I then try to explain what happens next, then this UDG routine, all it does is keeps reading data and pokes it into the address of the alternate character set until either there's no data or the data is less than 0. And what will happen here is it will have an out of data error, but it doesn't matter. So let's run it and I'll show you exactly what that's doing. No data error, as I said, but the letter A, so if I type A here, this is the standard character set. If I type A down here, this is the alternate character set, and because that's all 0, it's obviously acting like a space. So that's where that is. Now, what I want is to see if Copilot can generate me some data, because I don't want to do it myself. So let's say generate 6 by 8 pixel binary image of a space invader, and see what that does. I'm going to just accept it, and this is the data. Let's save it. I don't know, let's not try and analyze it in source code format. Now over here I'm just going to reset this and then reload the tape file. So tload tape file. If I list it, we can see now something. And right, let's just go for it. And there it is. So if I type, well, B is a normal B, but here if I do B, 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 I can actually see I've got Space Invaders. That's cool. What I wanted to do then is Space Invaders are one thing, but what I really want to do is see if I can generate something more sophisticated. So let's try generate 6 by 16 pixel binary image of a rocket ship. Because I would like rocket ships in my games if I can. So I know what's happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, that's done 16. I thought it'd done too many rows. So let's save that. Let's convert. And then let's go reset this one. Reload the tab file. And then load it into D flat. And we can list it if you want to just quickly see. I don't know if that looks much like a rocket, but anyway, let's try it, see what it's come up with. It kind of looks like a man with their arms by their side. Let's do another rocket. So let's try a man actually. Let's do generate 6 by 16 pixel binary image of Mario. Let's see what happens here. Oh, it's taking a while. Something has gone very wrong, because that looks like more than 20 lines of. And let's regenerate this. I don't think that's correct. It's generated far too much data. It's done it again. Okay, let's accept that. Where are we? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then that is, yeah. Have I got the right number of rows? 58 to 43. Yes, I have. So this is 60 down to until that's 22 rows. So I don't need most of that. In fact, I'm going to kill line 75 onwards because I think that gives me 16 pixels. Let's just save that and see what I get. Frankly, I have to be honest, these experiments not as good as the ones I was doing earlier, but I was using the same prompts more or less. That's the challenge, isn't it, with generative AI. So let's see what it looks like. I mean, it doesn't look good, does it? Let's just see what it comes out as. Yeah, it's a little bit weird. Let's do one more. Generate 6 by 16 pixel. I can spell binary image of Mario facing right. Maybe if I give a bit more information, it might give me something. It's just gone slightly mad now, as far as I can tell. No, we have to keep it to 16 rows of data. Let's see if we understand that. No, didn't like that at all. So let's close that. Let's do one final one. Generate 6 by 16 pixel image of a rocket ship. I want to try that one again because I wasn't happy with my last rocket ship. I don't like this one either. So I'll load it just so we can see, but I don't think that's a very good rocket ship. Honestly, I actually had a much better rocket ship. the last time. So let's reset the Oric, then go into the emulator to reopen the tap file, and then load that into the flat. And then let's just see what it looks like without looking at the code. Yeah, there's not much of a rocket ship up here, is it? You know, but I've got a Space Invader, so maybe Copilot can get better in doing 8-bit graphics. Anyway, hope it was a fun interlude for you. Thanks for watching.